Hello friends, today I will be discussing continuation of last video. So today we are going to discussing a new topic, that is repatriation or re-entry of expatriates. Repatriates are those employees who return back to the parent country after their international assignment. Means repatriates are returning expatriates. A repatriation is the process of returning a person back to one place of origin or citizenship. So there are several reasons where the employees are coming back to their home country. The first reason may be when they are sending to do a international assignment. After completion of the international assignment, the expatriates are coming back to their home country. This is the first reason. Second reason may be expatriates want their children study in a home country's school, and they the longer they are away, this will be happen. Third reason for repatriations could be the need for the expat to move on to the other global assignments of similar kind. Means in third reason, if the expatriates may get the other international assignment, then they are looking for another countries to come, another countries for international assignments. The fourth reason may be if the expatriates are unhappy with the promotional aspects which is implementing in other country, they may be deciding to coming back to their home country. Or another reason behind of returning back to home country may be the family members may not be support the expatriates. Means the family members facing difficulties to adjust with the host country cultural environment or other environmental issues. So these are several reasons where the expatriates had decided to come back to their home country. When they are deciding to come back to their home country, on that time they are called as a repatriation or re-entry of expatriates. Next we'll discuss process of repatriation. So first process is preparation. And this will do before 3 to 4 months of expatriation return. Means before returning to home country, they are involving in developing a plan for the future and gathering information about the new positions. Means the firm may provide a checklist of items to be considered before the return home. Means here they need to closure of all bank accounts which are opened in a other country, and they need to settle the all bills, or through a preparation of employee and family for the for the transfer home. It means here when the expatriates are planning to come back to their home country, before coming to home country they are developing a certain plans where they are engaging for gathering informations about a new position which may be available in a future when they are coming back to their home country. Not only this one, forms are also asking, forms are also providing all checklist of items which is helping for expatriates to close back their bank accounts, as well as settle down all bills of that host countries. Second process of repatriation is physical allocation. It refers to removing all personal belongings, or breaking the relationship with the colleagues and friends and traveling to the next posting, usually the home country. It means when the expatriates are completing their assignments in international operations or other country, they are going to be breaking the relationship with the colleagues and friends with whom they have done the business in other countries. Apart from this, they are also leaving all their personal belongings which belongs to the host country. Most multinationals use removal firms or relocation consultants to handle the physical relocation, both for the movement out and the return home of the employee and family. Means it means the many firms are engaging to hiring a relocation consultants who are engaged to handle the all physical relocations. Means when the employees are or expatriates are decided to come back to their home, the settling the expatriate in the home countries, all the arrangements are made by these consultancies. Third is transition. It means settling into temporary accommodation where necessary. Means when the expatriates are coming back to their home country, there may certain issues are faced by the expatriates. So here consultancies are hired by the firms to handle this all issues. The issues may be they are making a temporary arrangements for housing and schooling of the expected family children's, and carried out other administrative tasks, means renewing the expected driving license when they are coming back to their home country, or applying for medical insurances, or opening a bank account. So these all are the several arrangements are made by the consultancies which are helping for expertise to be settled down easily to the in the home country. Fourth process is readjustment. It involves coping with reverse culture shock, means when the expatriates are coming back to their home country, they may be face the cultural shock, because earlier they were used to do a work based on a host country culture. So it may be create some difficulty for the expatriates to adopt their previous culture when they are engaging in when they are engaging to do a business in their home country. So that is called as a readjustment. So these are the four different kind of the process we can be seen in the case of the repatriation. Next is factors of consideration in repatriations, means there are several factors which may be effective on the repatriations. First may be job related factors. So there are several reasons are there which are motivating expatriates to come back to their home countries. The first may be career annexity, means here when the expatriates are feel there may not be any career opportunities available in a host country, they are deciding to come back to their home country, because there are two motivators behind of expatriates or employees to accept the international assignment. The first one is career advancement, and second one is financial gain. In these two, if they are not getting any one also, they are demotivating for international assignments, and they are deciding to come back to their home countries. So this is one reason behind, which is related to the job. So second one is coping with the new role demand. So when they are doing a business in international operations, or when the expertise are doing the business in other countries, there may be a mismatch between the perception of the expertise regarding their new role. Means if they are having a certain expectations regarding the promotions or other aspects, if they are not getting that from their host country, and they are thinking back come back to their home country. Next is loss of status and pay. Repatriates are treated just as another company executives, means when the expatriates are coming back to their home country after completion of their internal assignment, or due to other reasons, when they are coming back to their home country, they may face many difficulties. Means the existing company, may parent company people maybe treat the repatriates are like a other company executives, and it may be creating a problem for expatriates or repatriates to readjustment with the other co-workers or other colleagues with whom they are going to doing a business. Next is social factors. So social factors may reflect in terms of the family adjustments, means where spouse or partners or children who are involved, each family members are experiencing his own readjustment problems. Re-entry reminds them that life is not a static. As a coping behavior in the foreign location, other may have life back home, and now have to come to term with the reality, because when they were in host country, their environment is entirely different. So the same environment they may not be get when they are coming back to a home country. So this may be affecting on their family members as well as expatriates who came back to their home countries. Next is career issues in repatriation. First one is career anxiety. As I said in earlier topic, anxiety means first all lot of returns experience career anxiety, means here when the company cannot guarantee employment after the return, means when the employees are going for international assignments, after completion of international assignment, when they are coming back to their home country, then the existing company, if not giving a guarantee regarding the employment, that may be creating a problem for expatriates or repatriates, means they are facing lack of career opportunity in their home country. Next is work adjustment. Another difficulty concerns work adjustment. This contains the relationship with the colleagues or false informations that leads to feelings of anxiety or frustrations and missing organizational support. It means when the employees coming back to their home country as a repatriations or re-entry, they may not get a support from their colleagues, or they may be feel so frustration or frustrations, as well as they also missing their organizational support regarding their task or work. Next, third one is position at work. So position at work is another issue which is facing with the repatriations when they are coming back to their home country. Means that colleagues, even the boss, do not show any interest in the returnees experience. Means they may be feel jealousy, or they may not want to be communicate with the repatriates. Means they maybe think the repatriates having a more knowledge, where they are feeling hesitations to be speak with the repatriations, or they may be think that when expatriates or repatriates are coming back to the home country, then they should be follow the home country rules, which are more important than the host country rules. So this way it is demotivating or frustrating the repatriates to adjust with their home country environment. Next is solutions to issue of repatriates. The first one is organizational strategies for effective repatriations. The organizations should create a repatriates dictionary, so that newly repatriates employees can seek advice from old hands as well as their sponsors. Means when the repatriates are coming back to their home country, for them the old hands are ready for supporting. Means here they are maintaining the previous repatriates dictionaries, and that previous dictionaries are helping for a new repatriates to learn about their home country culture. Or as well as frequently the home countries are sending emails to the expatriates who are doing the business in international options. Because what is the what the main reason behind of sending periodical mails about the changes or career opportunities in the home country is, when the expatriates are coming back to the home country, they should be aware about all the changes which was taken place in a home country when he was in a absence. Not only this one, this organizations also having a special websites, and they always publishing quarterly newsletters which are helping for expatriates to be touch with the home country. So this will help for the expatriates to easily adopt the home country when they're coming back. Second solutions which will lead to the issue of repatriates are linking overseas assignments to career plans. Overseas assignments must be linked to long term career plan. The length and flexibility of the time period during which an expatriate can return home may need to be increased. This provide a greater likelihood or having the person come into a job when he or she is needed. So third one is utilization of repatriates skills. One of the main reason repatriates employees grow dissatisfied with their job after they return is that they feel their new skills and experience are not being put to use. So one possible use for repatriates is as a trainer for managers who are getting ready to take an on an expatriate's positions. So this provides a very direct way of making use of the skills gained by repatriates while in their own foreign assignments. It means here when the repatriates are coming back to their home company, many times they may grow a dissatisfaction with their job. They will think that their new skills are not using by the organization. So encouraging or motivating the repatriates, they are assigning repatriates as a trainer, and giving a task for the repatriates to train the future expatriates who are going to be do a business in other countries. So third solution which we can get in the case of issue of repatriates. Next, fourth one is individual strategies for effective repatriates. In addition to action taken by the organization, the expatriates managers must play a critical role in ensuring that the repatriates process is effective. Among the actions that expatriates should take care the following means remain in close contact with the sponsors at home means expect repatriates who are planning to come back to their home company. They always need to keep a close contact with the old hands who are working in the home country. In additions to the old hands, they need to develop the close relationship with the several informal employees at the home to gain a broader view of the home environment. Not only they need to maintain the relationship with the old hands, they need to also they also need to develop the close relationship with the other employees who are working in a home country, so that so they can be get the updated knowledge regarding the changes which may taken place in a home country, which may be benefit for him when he is planning to coming back to their home country. Next is develop a report with the several managers who supervise position considered to be attractive target repatriation positions, and maintain all visibility through email, regular phone call and other likes means here repatriates always they need to be touch with the home country by mailing or communicating with the home country, and always they need to be communicate the home country by making a call. So this way they can be gather the informations regarding all the activities which are taken place in a home countries. Next, fifth one is support and coping. In addition to these job related strategies, other component of good repatriation system focus more on social and emotional supports to expatriates and their families. The more social supports available to an expatriates on return, the easier the re-entry will be. They should talk with the former expatriates who have made the transition back home successfully to identify likely problems that will arises and get the ideas for dealing with these problems. It means when the repatriates are coming back to their home countries, the former expatriates are those who have completed their assignment in the home countries and they're coming back to their host countries and then coming back to their home countries, and they should be support the new repatriates to adjust to the new environment.